Today we are making Bhindi Gosht. This is a very delicious recipe. Before this video starts, please subscribe to Cooking and Style and press the bell icon for notifications. Bhindi Gosht is a very delicious recipe and you should definitely try it. Let's start the recipe. Mutton 700 grams. Tomatoes pre-chopped. 2 chopped onions. Oil half cup. Salt to taste and spices. 5 cloves. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Zira 1 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Bhindi 800 grams. Today we are going to tell you a very easy method of cutting bhindi. This is a very simple method. Green chilies 2 or 3. Keep aside. Add these ingredients into a pressure cooker. Add half cup water. Mix it well. Cover and close the cooker. On medium heat, cook it for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, open it and cook it until water dries. Add oil and cook. Now add tomatoes. Cook it for 6 or 7 minutes. You can also add half a chopped onion if you want. Now keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil and add bhindi. Add little bit of salt. And fry this for 4 minutes. Now add the cooked meat with masala. Mix this together well. Cover it and put it on low flame for 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah. After 5 minutes, Bhindi Gosht is ready. This is a very delicious dish. Try this, you will love this recipe. Dish out and serve. Everyone in your family will love it. If you have not subscribed to Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for watching.